Hey everyone, I apologize for not uploading at all this last week. However, I've been extremely sick and now I'm mostly recovered, although I still do get a little bit more tired than usual. Hopefully I'll be able to get back to my regular upload rates soon. Hey guys, it's me Ram here, and when it comes to setting up puzzles, I tend to use a lot of different lubes. Like seriously, for puzzles like 2x2s, 3x3s and pyraminxes, I actually tend to take apart the puzzle and lubricate it properly. But for things like big cubes, my method is rather different. Therefore, in today's video, I thought that I would go over how I would set up big cubes. If you want to buy these cubes or any other Speedcube, be sure to get it at Speedcube shop and use the discount code RAM for 5% off your order, as well as a shout out at the end of my latest video. Alright, so here I have this YJ MGC 5x5 here, and overall it feels really nice. However, over time it has gotten quite slow and sluggish. Therefore, today I thought that I would make a video on how I would set this up. Alright, so the only lube you'll be needing for this is Stardust. Now if you all don't know, Stardust is a water-based lube with these properties right here, and if you want to know more about it, I'll link a couple of videos down in the description below. However, it basically is just there to speed up your puzzles, that's all. And for puzzles like big cubes, you absolutely do not want a slow big cube because they can completely tire your hands out. So the label here used to say 6 drops, break in and enjoy, but unfortunately over time the label has faded away. But that's exactly what we're going to be doing. What you're going to do is just put 6 drops in any random areas of the cube. And here is drop number 6. Let's give it some turns. So yep, there you have it. It definitely does feel a lot better now. And for it to evenly spread out throughout the cube, all you have to do is around 2 solves. So yep, I guess I'll just do a couple of solves on this cube and get back to you guys with my thoughts about how it's broken in. Hey everyone, it's been around a week since I filmed that part. I did quite a few timed and untimed solves on it and even got sick, and I'm ready to give my thoughts finally. Now I'm no big cube expert, that's why this solve is going to be sped up, but can I say, man am I impressed. Now the speed was around what I was expecting from Stardust because it is meant to be a fast lube of course, but what impressed me the most was how long it lasted. I think I've done around 20 or so solves on it and the cube has not shown signs of slowing down at all. In fact, just setting up my 5x5 again has made me want to practice more 5x5, and I haven't really gotten my times much faster. However, I am determined to get sub 2 in the coming weeks. The MGC5 has always been one of my favorite puzzles to turn overall, and this setup has honestly made it a lot better. Although I do have a Cosmic one coming in soon and that just might end up being my favorite. Anyway, I'd highly recommend this setup as always, and you can find everything you need at the links in the description below. Anyway, I know that there have been a lot of videos on setup recently. However, I only had the time and the energy to finish this video today, and that's why I got it done. If there's any video requests you guys have, let me know in the comments down below and I'll try my best to make it. I have a bunch of new cubes coming in too, so there'll be videos on those as well. Anyway, thanks a lot for watching this video and I really hope you guys enjoyed and learned how to set up big cubes. Goodbye. Hey everyone, so before we end off this video, I just want to give a quick shout out to ProCubing for using my discount code at Speedcube shop. He ordered a Tornado V2M and a mat, which is pretty cool I guess. Anyway, thank you so much for using my discount code and I hope you enjoy your package. Thanks a lot for watching again and goodbye.